Welcome to Skill English. Once again, an interesting session with all of you. First of all, I would like to thank all my old subscribers who are supporting Skill English, who has helped Skill English grow so much. And those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and put your likes and comments. Your comments will motivate me. So go and hit the like button and give your useful comment. Today's session is about the difference between will and going to. I will come or I am going to come. What is the difference between these two? So today's session is about will and going to. Let's see. When we use will to make prediction, when we use going to also to make prediction, so both are used to make prediction. But the difference lies here. In the case of will, there is no proof. It's just a personal opinion. It's my opinion. But here, we are making a prediction on the basis of a proof. There is a proof, and so the prediction supports. So, here, perhaps it will rain, if I say. Perhaps it will rain means I think it will rain. There is no proof that it's going to rain. But if I say, dark clouds can be seen. Dark clouds can be seen. It's going to rain. That means there is a proof, there is an evidence which we can see, and on that we are making a prediction that it is going to rain. The dark black clouds, it's an indication that it's going to rain. But here I'm just saying it will rain. There is no proof, just my personal opinion. Next sentence. He will come. It's my opinion, he will come. There is no proof to support it. But if I say he is going to come, that means there is a proof. Because his name is on the invitation list. Why? I'm sure he's going to come. He's going to come because his name is on the invitation list. So here there is a proof, so I'm using he's going to come. And if I say he will come, is just a prediction. I think he will come. Not everyone think. I will fly to Mumbai. I think tomorrow I will fly to Mumbai, or day after tomorrow I will fly to Mumbai. There is no proof that sure 100% that I am going to fly. But if I say I have got a flight ticket tomorrow, I am going to fly to Mumbai. So here there is a proof that there is a flight ticket which I have bought for tomorrow, so I am going to fly to Mumbai. There is a proof that I am going to fly to Mumbai. So to summarize, what is the difference and how to use these two correctly? We use will to make prediction, but there is no proof. It's just an individual opinion. We use going to make prediction, same as will, but there is a proof. So I hope you have understood what is the difference between will and going to. It's very small difference, but you should use it correctly so that others understand what you are going to say. So that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this session. So please wait for the next session. Be ready, where I will upload another interesting video for you all. Until then, next time from Skill English, have a nice time. Thank you.